एक्सपांशन फॉर्मूला बहुत ही इजी चैप्टर है. बस आपको यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन क्वेश्चन. एंड ऑल्सो इट इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट चैप्टर बिकॉज यू हैव एन एप्लीकेशन ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इन योर 9th and 10th grade. एक छोटा सा पार्ट देखते हैं इस चैप्टर का where you have learned this chapter in your previous standard. Like for example, a plus b the whole square. So when you expand this, you get a square plus 2ab plus b square. Same as a minus b the whole square, you get a square minus 2ab plus b square. एक और expansion formula आपने सीखा था, that is a minus b, a plus b, which you get as a square minus b square. Before starting with practice set 5.1, let me give you a small trick how to expand two brackets, that is x plus a and x plus b. Over here, I have written as foil. Now the F stands for first, O stands for outer, I stands for inner, and L stands for last. Now if you see, x over here inside this bracket is a first component. So the first component will get multiplied with the first component of the second bracket, that is x into x. So you get x into x plus, now in this bracket if you see the x also stands for the outer part, so the x, the outer, will get multiplied with the outer of the second bracket, that is x into b plus a stands for the inner over here of this bracket because it's inside the bracket, so the inner will get multiplied with the inner of the x because the x is inside the bracket, so a into x. Now over here a also stands for the last of this bracket, so the a will get multiplied to the last alphabet, that is b over here, the variable, and you get a into b. So you get x into x as x square plus x into b as xb plus a into x as ax plus a into b as a. So you take common in both, x square, so you can see x is common, so you get a plus b bracket x plus ab. So you need to apply this in your practice at 5.1. It's the same method you can apply. 5.1, expand. First question, a plus 2, a minus 1. Let's apply this trick on this question. So it will be a into a, so that is the first, a into a. Then this a will get multiplied with the 1. Now this 1 contains minus, so it will get multiplied with the minus. So it will be minus a into 1 plus 2 into a, so 2 into a. Then 2 into minus 1, so it will be minus 2 into 1. So a into a. Now you will be also thinking about this plus, so the plus and minus, that is positive into negative, will give you negative. A into a minus, this will be, this will be a into a will be a square, a into a will be a into 1 will be a, plus 2 into a will be 2a, this will be 2 into 1 will be 2. Now minus plus, so it will be subtraction, so minus a plus 2a will give me plus a, because 2 minus 1 will give me 1, minus 2. So this is the expansion of this 2 bracket. Second question, m minus 4, m plus 6. यहाँ पे m and m will get multiplied, so m into m, then it will get multiplied with the 6, so it will be 6 carries plus, so it will be plus positive, so m into 6, so it will be m into 6. Then minus 4 into m, so it will be minus 4 into m. Then minus 4 into plus 6, so minus plus will change to minus, 4 into 6 will change to 24. I'll write it 4 into 6, I'll write it here. So m into m will give me m square, m into 6 will give me 6m, 4 into m will give me 4m, minus 4 into 6 will give me 24. So 6m minus 4m, that will give me plus 2m minus 24. Third question, p plus 8, p minus 3. Now, यहाँ पे p will get multiplied with p, Third question, p plus 8, p minus 3. Now the p will get multiplied with the p, so it will be p into p, then p into minus 3. So it will be minus 3 ohms. We can write also as minus p into 3. Then it's 8, so plus 8 into p, 8 into p. Then it will be plus 8 minus 3. So it will be plus minus will be minus 8 into 3 will be 24. So p into p will give me p square minus this will give me 3p plus this will give me 8p minus 24. So minus 3p plus 8p will give me plus 5p minus 24. Fourth question, 13 plus x, bracket 13 minus x. So 13 into 13. So 13 into 13. Then 13 into x, that is minus x. So it will be minus 13 into x. Then it will be plus x into 13. So it will be plus x into 13. Then it will be x, that is plus x minus x. That will give me minus x into x, x into x. Now 13 into 13 will give me 169, that is nothing but the square of 13, minus 13 into x will give me 13x, plus this also will give me 13x, that is x into 13, x into x will give me x square. Now over here if you see 13x minus 13x plus 13x will get cancelled. You are left with 169 minus x square. Fifth question, 3x plus 4y, bracket 3x plus 5y. So you have two variables over here, that is x and y. Let's multiply, won't make any difference. So 3x into 3x, 3x into 3x plus 3x into 5. So 3x into 5y plus 4y into 3x. So 4y into 3x plus 4y into 5y. 4y into 5y. 3x into 3x will give me 9x square plus 3x into 5y will give me 15xy plus 4y into 3x will give me 12xy plus 4 into 5 will give me 20y square. So 15xy plus 12xy will give me 9x square, 17xy plus 20y square. Sixth question, 9x minus 5t, bracket 9x plus 3t. So you multiply 9x into 9x, so it will be 9x into 9x, then 9x into 3t. So it will be 9x into 3t minus 5t into 9x. So it will be minus 5t into 9x plus minus 5t plus 3t. So minus plus will change to minus, then it will be 5t into 3t. So 9x into 9x will give me 81x square plus 9x into 3t will give me 27xt. Then this also minus into minus 5 into 9, it will give me minus 45xt minus 5t into 3t. यहाँ पे आप tx भी लिख सकते हो, कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं करेगा because it multiplication. We consider x first, so I just written as xt. You can write it as tx also. Minus 5t into 3t, so this will give me minus 15t square. So 27xt minus 45xt. So when you minus, the sign of the minus is on the 45. So आपको जो भी आंसर मिलेगा will get you in negative. So 27 minus 45 is nothing but 18. 18xt, and this will give me 15t square. Seventh question, m plus 2 by 3, m minus 7 by 3. यहाँ पे Seventh question, m plus 2 by 3 bracket m minus 7 by 3. यहाँ पे हमारे पास fraction है, but the denominator of this fraction is same, 3 and 3. So it will be easy. So m into m into 7 by 3, it's a minus 7 by 3, so it will be minus 7 by 3 m plus 2 by 3 into m, 2 by 3 into m, then it will be plus, so it will be plus into minus will give me minus 2 into 2 upon 3 into 7 upon 3. So m into m will give me m square minus 7 by 3 m plus 2 by 3 m minus 2 into 7 will give me 14, 3 into 3 will give me 9. So minus, now if you see the denominator is same, so you can write it as m square minus 7m plus 2m upon 3 minus 14 upon 9. So minus 7m plus 2m. So यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना कि ये जो माइनस है 7 के ऊपर है, so it will be minus plus will be minus, so it will give me m square, the minus is on the greater number, so it will have minus, and 7 minus 2 will give me 5m upon 3. This will be 14 upon 9. So this is your answer. 8th question, x plus 1 by x bracket x minus 1 by x. So it will be x into x, so x into x, x into minus 1 by x, so minus x into 1 by x, plus 1 by x into x will give me 1 by x into x. 1 by x minus 1 by x, so it will be minus, that is plus minus will give me minus 1 by x into 1 by x. Now x into x will give me x square. Over here if you see the x on the numerator, the multiplication to this fraction, that is 1 by x, the x and x will get cancelled. So you're left with 1. Plus over here also x and x will get cancelled. You're left with 1. So 1 into 1 will give me 1. X into x will be x square. So over here minus plus, that is minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. That is, it will give you 0 x square, and at the end you can write x square minus 1 by x square. 9th question, 1 by y plus 4 bracket 1 by y minus 9. So 1 by y will get multiplied with 1 by y, 1 by y minus 9. So it will be plus minus will be minus, or you can write 1 by y into 9 plus 4 into 1 by y and 4 into minus 9. So it will be 4 plus 4 minus 9. So it will plus minus will be minus. 1 upon y will give me 1 upon y square. 1 upon y into 1 upon y, that is y into y will give me y square, minus this will be 9 into 1 will be 9 upon y, plus this will be 4 into 1 will be 4 upon 5, minus 4 into 9 is 36. Now if you see the denominator is same, that is why it's the same variable, so you can write this as minus 9 plus 4 upon y minus 36. So minus 9 plus 4, this is square over here, minus 9 plus 4 will give me 5 upon y minus 36. If you like this video, please subscribe and share.